Once upon a time, in a faraway land called Alaska, there lived a young girl named Jenny. Jenny was born and raised in a small village surrounded by snow-capped mountains and breathtaking landscapes. Despite the beauty of her surroundings, Jenny often felt isolated because she was different from the other villagers. Jenny had a rare condition that caused her to be shorter than her peers. The villagers would often stare at her and make hurtful comments, assuming she was incapable of doing things like them. However, Jenny had a heart full of determination and a spirit that couldn't be broken. One day, a powerful blizzard struck the village, leaving many people stranded and in need of help. Jenny didn't hesitate. She immediately sprang into action. Using her small stature to her advantage, she navigated through the snow-filled streets, checking on her neighbors and offering assistance. To her surprise, the villagers witnessed Jenny's bravery and selflessness. They saw past her physical appearance and realized that she was an extraordinary person. Inspired by her actions, they joined forces to help one another, realizing the importance of unity and acceptance. From that day forward, the villagers learned an important lesson: not to judge others based on their appearance or differences. They understood that true strength and kindness come from within, and they celebrated the diversity that made their community unique. And Jenny, she became a beloved figure in the village, forever reminding everyone of the power of acceptance.